My friends at Meaty know I love technology and gadgets, so they've sent me one of their new products today. This is awesome, the new wireless probe from Meaty. If you've ever struggled cooking the perfect steak or the perfect joint of meat, this is going to sort out all your problems. Connecting wirelessly to your phone, letting you know when the internal temperature is just perfect on that joint of meat. I'm going to use this for my Easter roast, and I'm going to let you know exactly what I think of it.